Good morning parents and my dear children. Welcome to class 2. Today I am going to teach you all drawing. Children, what is this? Yes, this is a snake. And where do we find them? Yes, we find them in the zoos, parks and in the forests. Do you know which is the largest snake in the world? Yes, it is green anaconda, which weighs 550 pounds. So let's see how to draw a snake. Let's start. First, we'll draw its eyes. We'll make 2 circles like this. Now, we'll draw a oval shape like this. Next, we'll make its mouth and its tongue. Now, we'll make a curve like this. Then another curve like this, and then the last one. Now we'll draw its tail. Next we'll draw grass. Next we'll draw clouds like this. And another one like this. Children, this is how you have to color a snake. And this is the worksheet that will be uploaded on the school website. Kindly follow the steps and try to draw it. Our next drawing is to draw a snowman. As you can see that I have drawn 3 circles like this and a curved line like this. So let us follow the further steps. First we'll make snowman's hat. We'll make a curve like this and then like this. We'll draw a line like this. Now snowman's face. His nose. His mouth. His hand. And the other one. Now is muffler. Children, this is how you'll color your snowman. And these are the steps that you have to follow to draw a snowman. Our next drawing is to draw a helicopter. We'll make a straight line like this and give a curve like this. And from here also again we'll make a straight line and again we'll make a curve. And from here again we'll make a line. Now we'll make a circle and we'll make its blades. Now we'll make its glasses. Now we'll make its upper portion. We'll make a curve, then a line, and then again a curve like this. Again we'll make its blades. And then the lower portion. We'll make two curved lines like this and next we'll draw a straight line like this side also. Again we'll make a curved line like this. And then the other side. We'll attach these two lines with the curved lines and this side also. Children, this is how you have to color a helicopter. And these are the steps that you have to follow to draw a helicopter. Children, what is this? Yes, this is the sun. Do you know that sun rises from which side and sets in which side? Yes, it rises from the east and sets in the west. So let us see how to draw a beautiful sunset. Let's start. First, we'll make a straight line like this. Then we'll make two hills like this. Now we'll make the sun. Next we'll make a tree. we will make 5 curves like this. The next step is to make birds. And the last one is to make water waves. Children, this is how you have to color the sunset. And these are the steps that you have to follow while making a sunset. Worksheets related to these drawings will be uploaded on your school website. Kindly go through it and try to draw it. Thank you.